Cooking with Adam. Tonight we'll be making lemon-herb salmon with Greek feta rice. Stay tuned. Sorry, just a few things to go over. If you guys need the recipe guide, no problem, it's in the link below. Just click on the link, shoots over to the website, and you'll be able to follow step by step. If you want to try plated, there's a special deal. The link's in the description as well, and also on the website. And finally, if you need any of the cooking tools, as always, they're in the description as well. A link to the tools. Besides that, if you like this video, please smash that like button. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. That's it. Let's get started. Ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we're working with tonight. First up, 3/4 cup of basmati rice. Then we got half an English cucumber. We have half a pint of grape tomatoes. We have one herb mix. Half is, let me see, 1/8 ounce of oregano divided and 1/8 of an ounce of parsley. We have one lemon. We have one packet of olives, approximately 1 ounce. We have one scallion. We have one clove of garlic. You can see it. We have 10 ounces of salmon. We have 1/4 cup of white wine, cooking wine, in a little bag. Guess I want to be original. We have 2 ounces of feta cheese. They didn't like bags, I guess. What can I tell you? We have 2 packets of unsalted butter. You need a few things to cook this meal. First up, medium to large size pan with cover. You also need a medium pot with cover. You'll need also a medium and small bowl. Zoom out. You'll need approximately 7 bowls to slice and dice things. Your favorite knife. Some olive oil. Salt and pepper. And a strainer. Not that bad, right? Alright, so I'm going to rinse the produce and I'll be right back. Alright, so here's what we're doing. We're going to half the cucumber, scoop out the seeds with a spoon, and then cut crosswise into 1/2-inch moons. Easy enough. We're going to roughly chop the leaves of the oregano and the parsley and then save one oregano sprig for later. We are going to half the lemon, roughly chop the olives, trim the scallion and thinly slice, mince the garlic, and cut the tomatoes in half. Pretty simple. We're going to boil the rice, so we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of water. The rice. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together and let this boil up, and then we're going to simmer and cover for about 12 minutes. Alrighty, so we're now going to take the salmon out of the paper towel wrap. As always, you should always rinse it prior to seasoning. And we put salt and pepper on both pieces. So a little salt. A little pepper. Pretty simple. We're now going to make the wine sauce. So I'm going to take the oregano sprig. I'm going to take the garlic. And take the white cooking wine in this nice little bag. Doesn't like to open. And add a little pepper, as much as you like. About a pinch. Spoon. And combine. Easy peasy. Now we're going to take care of the veggies. So we're going to add the cucumber to the bowl. Parsley and oregano. There it comes out. There we go. The grape tomatoes. Olives. Scallions. Feta cheese, juice of 1 lemon, two tablespoons of olive oil, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix that together. Then we're going to set it aside to marinate and work on the salmon. There we go. All done. All right, when your pan is nice and hot, add a little oil. Spread it around. And we're going to place the salmon skin side down for 5 minutes. So we're now going to flip and cook for another 5 minutes, covered with a little portion of the pan ajar, so a little air and steam escapes. So about 5 minutes, and then we'll be moving on to finishing up the sauce. All right, we're going to now check and see how everything's doing. As always, please be careful, it's very hot. Take these off. Aside for a second, and we're now going to cut the heat. Add the butter. Oops. And the sauce. Move the oregano sprig. just about a minute or so, something long. There we go, so sauce is now done. Now I'm going to combine the rice with the veggies. This is going to be very hot, so please be careful if you guys are doing this at home. So you can see what I'm doing. Right, good. Now we're going to mix and combine. I just need to do it this way. There you go. All done. Next, plate dish. Right, here we go. Pretty simple. One piece of salmon. We'll take some of the rice and veggies. Give you plenty of rice, that's for sure. And sauce on salmon. There you go. Ladies and gents, tonight's meal. Stay tuned for my thoughts. Guys, so here are the pluses and the minuses, the pros and cons of tonight's meal. There's more than enough food for 2 people. The rice takes care of that. They give you actually more than some of the other meal subscription services. But the negative part is the salmon is farmed, not wild. The other 3 companies that I've done videos for have all had wild salmon. This is farmed, so that's an issue. Or maybe it's not. Depends on what you like to eat. Aside from that, the veggies, the sauce, everything, delicious. I would definitely make this again. The only change I would make would be wild salmon. Aside from that, again, great recipe. No other complaints. Just like I said, if they would have used wild salmon instead of farmed, I think that would have been much better, certainly much healthier, because it's generally a healthy dish. You have plenty of veggies, you have the rice, plenty of rice. The other few companies give about a cup for 2 people. This gives almost double. So with that and all the veggies, you have a good meal here. Like I said, the only thing would be if you had the wild salmon instead of the farm. It's just healthier, it's lower mercury, and it's better for you. Aside from that, great meal. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Questions, comments, concerns, refunds, comment below or message me directly. Until next time, take care.